Are you thinking about putting a pergola over your hot tub? Well, it's a great idea, but make sure you watch this video before you buy one. A lot of people don't buy the right one, so don't make some of these common mistakes. A pergola over your hot tub is a great way to enhance your outdoor space. It can provide cover from the rain, shade from the sun, and it just looks straight up awesome. But choosing the right pergola or structure over your hot tub is crucial. If you choose wrong, you're gonna be kicking yourself for years. Here are the top 5 rules for building a structure over your hot tub. The first thing to consider when building a structure over your hot tub is height. A lot of options on the market only offer an 8-foot post height. And on paper, it's easy to think that 8 feet is plenty tall to put over your hot tub, right? Wrong. If you think about most hot tubs, you have to step up, on, or over to get in them. Sometimes they have little stairs. 8 foot is a great height if you really like hitting your head every time you get in and out of your hot tub. And we thought about that, which is why we offer up to a 10-foot post height, so you have plenty of room to get in and out of your hot tub, unless you're Shaquille O'Neal. And if you are Shaquille O'Neal, give us a call. I'm sure we can work something out. So, rule number 1, think taller. The second thing to think about when building a structure over your hot tub is the paint or powder coat used on the structure. With the outdoor structure being in the sun and near chemicals coming off of the hot tub, you need a paint or powder coat that can really handle the elements. And if you're thinking about building a wood pergola over your hot tub, I would think again. Anyone who has a wood deck around their pool will be able to tell you it is a nightmare trying to keep the stain from stripping off with the chlorine. And even if you have a saltwater pool or hot tub, you're not totally exempt. That salt can get in the air and cause damage to the paint or powder coat. And with this being the case, that is why we offer the thickest and most durable powder coat on all of our pergolas. For you spec nerds out there, we're gonna get into some jargon. We use an AMA 2605 powder coat, which is guaranteed to not fade for 10 years, even on the beach in Florida. Most of the stuff that you'll find on the market has a standard durability powder coat, which, if you're lucky, will be fade resistant for about 2 years. So, rule number 2, make sure you have the right paint or finish on your outdoor structure. Rule number 3, we're gonna talk about coverage. A lot of the pergola kits you're gonna find in big box stores or online don't provide a lot of protection from the sun or rain. The slats over your head are gonna be stationary. They can't open or close to keep the sun or rain off of you. Which is why, with our system, you can open it all the way up to 130 degrees or close it watertight with the push of a button. And when we say watertight, we actually mean it. So our louvers close right over the gutter system, so water goes into the gutter system and down the drain instead of onto you and your hot tub. Hot tub time shouldn't have to wait for the rain. You can just close the louvers and enjoy. Gone are the days of rushing back inside when the rain starts. So, rule number 3, make sure you have enough coverage from the elements. So the next rule is about weather resistance. It's pretty common for people to put retractable awnings, outdoor umbrellas, or canopies over their hot tub. While they can provide great coverage from the sun, when the wind starts blowing, you better move fast. Otherwise, you may have to pull your patio umbrella out of Dave's backyard 4 doors down. So as we said before, the luxury pergola has a louvered roof system to keep the elements off of you and your hot tub. And to top it all off, it's got a wind resistance rating of 130 to 160 miles per hour for our base model. And yes, that's with the louvers closed. So rule number 4, make sure that it's got some strong weather resistance. So rule number 5 is all about size. When you think about awnings or canopies and umbrellas, you're pretty limited on the size you can choose. Now, when you put a pergola over your hot tub, even a DIY wood one, your size options are pretty limitless. A pergola can be built large enough to cover your hot tub, grill, outdoor furniture, and even a backyard bar. Make sure it is large enough to cover the space you actually want to use. So we thought about all 5 of these rules when making the luxury pergola. It's tall enough to not hit your head. It's large enough that you can cover as much space as you want. The materials used will be able to handle the chlorine or salt from any kind of hot tub. And it's weather resistant enough to stand the test of time. And not only does it meet all 5 of these rules, but you can customize the size, color, finish, and accessories to make sure it perfectly complements your outdoor space. When you're putting together your plans for a hot tub pergola, make the smart choice. Give us a call at 317-597-2545, and one of our pergola experts will be able to walk you through the entire process and help you pick the perfect American-made pergola for your backyard.